What stood out to me for this couple of weeks was our words have power. And I want to share a testimony that I had.
Please.
So on the 20th of April, when Pastor Scott Webb came and invited the people in front who needs healing, I knew that this was now for me. And yeah, I had a full thickness tear in my left ligament that I tore off in December. And when Pastor Scott Webb prayed over me, actually when he put his hands on me, then I felt instant healing. So yeah, the pain went away. So,
yes, Manus.
Yeah. So pain went away,
you,
but he also said that doubt will come, and so the doubt and the pain came again. But yeah, back over time, and I told that pain that it had no right in my body.
That's right.
And
that's right.
As I said that I knew that I'm healed, and so it went away. So with time coming, going, and things like that, it took longer for pain to come again, went away, and things like that.
You had to walk by faith,
yes,
Manus.
Now I can jump. I can
yes,
run around with our dogs and
Manus.